101. We're under it. I'm under it. Listen. Listen. I'm under an SVR. Let's go. Yes, sir. I'm under an SVR.
16 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located.
Let's freaking go. Right over there. Let's go. I'm under an SVR.
60 miles per hour.
Sheesh.
Source radar indicated.
Let's go.
Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near the Verrazano Narrows Bridge and Bay Ridge around 8:40 p.m.
8:40 p.m.
Coney Island and Midtown Manhattan around 8:45 p.m.
Coney Island.
Flatbush and Mott Haven around 8:50 p.m.
Let's go. I'm under an
Yonkers
SVR.
and East Trenton around 8:55 p.m. Flushing and Frogs Neck Bridge around at 9
Let's
p.m.
freaking go.
Jamaica and New Rochelle around 9:05 p.m.
Wow.
For your protection, move to an interior.
These storms are crazy.
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous
Yes, sir.
cloud to ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
It's over here.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close.
It's over here in
By lightning.
95.5 FM.
Storms and leading to flash flooding.
95.5 FM.
45 p.m. Flatbush and Mott Haven around 8:50 p.m. And East Trenton.
Yeah, it's 95.5 FM.
Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Somerset County, northeastern Monmouth County, northeastern Middlesex County.
Interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damage.
Yeah, it's 95.5 FM.
The ground lightning are occurring
Let's
with
go.
these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is
Yes,
one of
sir.
nature's leading killers.
Let's freaking go.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by
Let's
lightning.
freaking go. My first EAS capture in FM.
Occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through
Let's
flooded
freaking
roads.
go.
East Brunswick, Sayreville, Conduit, Middlesex, Mound Brook, Manda, Kingsburg, Millsap,
Let's go.
Martinsville,
Wickham and Brandon.
South
go.
Plainfield, and North Plainfield. This includes the following highways: New Jersey.
My first
Turnpike
ever EAS on
16 and
FM.
13. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 36 and 41. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 18. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 100.
Let's go. I got my EAS capture on FM. 95.5 FM.
Let's
freaking go.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has